is our outfit for going to Jodhpur. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅಲ್ಲೇನೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ ಬನ್ನಿ. If you want this link, I can't give because ಇದು ಆಫ್ಲೈನ್ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡೋದು. Let's go. Bidda mummy came to breakfast. So ivattu complimentary breakfast ಇದೆ. We are taking it. I am taking pongal. Actually ನಾವು ಬ್ರೇಕ್ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾವೀಗ ಉದಯಪುರ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಅಲ್ಲ, ಜೋಧ್ಪುರ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಅಕ್ಕಪಕ್ಕ ಫುಲ್ ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. The place name is in Hindi. ನಾವು ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಫಾರ್ ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ರೂಮ್ ಯೂಸೇಜ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕಾಫಿ ಟೀ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಅಂತ. ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಏನು ಎತ್ತ ಏನೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ. Come, let's go and explore. Hey, what is that? Now we are entering to Jodhpur and karaoke ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. Yes, ನಮ್ಮ ಲಂಚ್ ಮುಗೀತು. We have finished our lunch in this restaurant. ಈ ರೆಸ್ಟೋರೆಂಟ್ ನೇಮ್ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಈಗ ಒಂದೇ ನಿಮಿಷ. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲ ಈವನಾಗಿ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಮಿಡ್ವೇ ಹೈವೇ ಮಲ್ಹಾರ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ತಿಂದು ಈಗ ಬಸ್ಸು ಮತ್ತೆ ಹತ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಗೋ.
ಹಾಡು ಸಂತೋಷಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂತೋಷಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಡು ಸಂತೋಷಕ್ಕೆ. She has sat and she has spent hours and hours on this planning to get everyone of us together over here. Yeah. So
Thank you, Ashwini aunty.
I would like you to speak a few things, and before I give the mic to Ashwini to say a few words, honorable mention is to Saitya, helping with all the bookings and other things. On special deputation.
Thank you, Saitya.
Who's the next singer?
ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಡೈಸ್ ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. These guys are playing Ludo.
So now champion, any guesses? Naveen, not Naveen. Female category. So best singer female goes to Sanju.
Doctor and singer Sanju.
Yeah, a trophy and trophy. Okay, then now we come to best singer of the day, male. Any guesses?
Naveen uncle.
No. Oh, it was so obvious. No, Naveen is going to be champion today. It was very close competition, between me and so excuse me, please come here to collect your trophy.
Looking nice when he collects the prize.
Oh, apadiya.
அப்படியே
Collect the prize, he is going to change.
I will come and good
Can you please give back that because this is Sania's.
Give back ಅಂತ
If Sania asks, give it to her. Otherwise, you can enjoy the trophy. Yeah. Once he comes here, give it to him. We'll announce that. Okay.
Naveen has gone to the change room to wear this
Award receiving.
award-receiving outfit.
Oh, Sanju, hang on. Sanju, please, a few words. Please, few words.
Please go and give your award-winning speech.
Again, Gustav came off. I missed that part. So now, a few words from
Who do
Sanju.
you thankful for everything you have said?
I want her to say a few words and inspire.
We have a very good host in the bus.
Sanju, you should not miss the sponsor, Sonia. Okay?
We are in Umesh
Please,
Bhavan.
please inspire all the people in the group. Young people are doing good. So,
Doctor
It's a
and God.
great opportunity.
Great opportunity.
Great opportunity to bring our all the
Talent.
talent back.
Talent from inside of the heart.
From inside. It was all successful because of the two playing people standing there.
We have an excellent host on the board.
Uncle, turn this side.
Host on board,
Naveen uncle, turn this side.
Rakesh and
Ah,
Ali.
Neelimandu and Mali.
1 मिनट के लिए टेंशन हो गया कि डॉक्टर आके पूछेगी नहीं कि आपका ब्लड प्रेशर एंड कब लास्ट चेकअप कब हुआ था. एंड विदाउट फर्दर अडू,
Ah.
बिफोर हम उमेश भवन में उतर न जाए, उसके पहले अवार्ड को पेश करते हुए टाटा पेश करेंगे
Ah.
मिनिस्टर साहब को.
Minister साहब को. और रेडी आग बंदी का.
आ जाइए अवार्ड को रिसीव करते हुए मिनिस्टर साहब की जय हो.
It's the best and biggest award in my lifetime.
Many more to come.
Only award edible. बाकी सब तो हमारा घर के शोकेस में है. हमारा शोकेस कैसे भी भर चुका है.
अभी वापस दीजिए, वो सानिया का है. We have to return it to her. And
Long journey, we came to Umu Palace. Amma, kumba Pillu, don't cry, Pillu, come. Come, let's go inside. ಕ್ಲೈಮೇಟ್ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ, ಬಟ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಪಟ್ಟೆ ಮಳೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ನಮ್ಗೆ ಮಳೆ ಬೇಡ. ಈ ಪ್ಯಾಲೇಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್. ಕಮ್ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಗೋ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಿಟಿ ಆಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದನೇ ಎಷ್ಟು ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ನೋಡೋಕ್ಕೆ. ಪ್ಯಾಲೇಸು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ.
ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ, ಬಟ್ ಅದೇ ಫುಲ್ ಬಿಡಲ್ಲ, ಬರೀ ಮ್ಯೂಸಿಯಂ ತರ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ.
19 members ticket. ನನ್ನ ಮನೆಯವರೆಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಗೋ. You want big toy car?
See the palace?
First see the real car and the palace, then you can buy. Okay, you take me. Okay baby.
Okay, I'll show you where.
Answer is Ganika.
Ganikama.
To myself Bhavani, I am going to show you the Jodhpur today. First we see this palace, India's last built palace. This palace was built in 1944. Work was started in 1929. 15 years they completed this palace. The king of Jodhpur built this palace because in those years we had a drought in this part. There was no employment for the local people. To provide the employment to the local people, he started build this palace in 1929. It's quite big area, 26-acre area of this palace. 15 acre gardens like this, and the rest is the building. There are 347 rooms in this palace. Fully 347 rooms. Fully well furnished palace, beautiful, including the air cooling system, badminton court, tennis court, pool, and everything. And the picture all is there. But right now this palace is divided in 3 parts. This part where we are standing outside against this is where the royal family members are living. And other side is the bigger part is the hotel.
Yes, we came to Umesh Bhavan Palace. Yeah.
Umed Singh, the same who built this palace. And he was the India's first Maharaja who joined the Royal Air Force, I mean the British Air Force. He got pilot license. So that in next picture you see him in the Air Force dress. This is a picture where you see Pandit Nehru, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Indira Gandhi. So they had IT in Jodhpur, 1945. He is with the English governor, and these are the minister of Jodhpur. With his wife, she was taller than him.
Oh.
And in this part, people say if wife is taller than husband, husband is very lucky.
We didn't know.
And they had 5 kids, 4 son and daughter. Amazing with his granddaughter.
That is his son, right?
Granddaughter.
Grandson.
Grandson.
The current king.
Current.
The current king is the grandson of the Umed Singh.
Oh, okay.
He built not only this palace for the employment, he built this hospital. That time this was the biggest hospital in Rajasthan.
Okay.
He also built the court, Rajasthan High Court. He made this dam, Jawai, which is very popular in these days for the leopard safari. And he organized the health camp like this.
Is it open? For
Yeah, open.
Okay. How far it is from?
120.
120 kilometers.
Who will tell where we are in this?
We are
Here.
there, first one.
This is the museum, hotel, and the residence.
Okay.
How
What about
many rooms?
this one? 350, 347.
Very good. All of you are walking with me.
Yes. Now one part ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನೋಡಿದ್
You
ನಾವು.
see only few rooms. Okay. These pictures you see how when the palace was under construction. And this is the picture of the guy who designed this palace. He was architect. Mr. Henry Van Lancaster. UK. And this is the cost, total cost. 9.5 million almost.
Oh.
94,51,565 rupees. That's it, including everything. 2,000 times more.
Okay. Show
This
me.
is the picture when the palace was open for the royal people. 1944. Backyard picture. This is the part of hotel where big celebrities they have their wedding and all. Like Priyanka Chopra, she got married in this.
Oh, okay.
And this is the hotel reception, front view. And there's a very people here. Excuse me.
Come here.
These are the drawings, the sketches of the first floor launch and the finished photo. Drawing of the Queen's bathroom, actual bathroom and the finished photo.
Oh my
Now
God.
this is, all these are the part of the hotel. The people who stay here in this palace, in the Maharani Suite room, they use this bathroom. And the tariff of this room, like 5 lakh rupees.
Yeah, we'll go.
More,
Listen to
more
him.
sketches. More sketches of the room. And this is the picture of the painter who painted all the paintings in this palace. Mr. Stephen Norbil, and he was from Poland. How he used to paint pool, Shiva Parvati painted in the Greek style.
ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ನೀನೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ಯಾ?
As I told you, the Umesh Singh was in the British Air Force, Vice Air Marshal. He traveled many countries, so he bought these 2 flower pots from China. This is the first lock of the palace, silver lock. Tools, what they used to construct this palace, and the next these are the medal which he got from the Britishers. And the next is the sword which belongs to the UK company called Wilkinson. I think you know about that. The razor making. Earlier, this company was famous for making swords. And the monogram of Jodhpur.
Okay.
Sorry.
He has built railway station also beautifully.
Yes.
Then,
Railway station. Then also he built a hospital for the women, ladies hospital. Okay.
these are hunt by him.
Hunt by him and his daughter. See, the picture is there.
What is the daughter's name?
Rajendra Kumari.
Rajendra.
So these are the real skins. They stuff something in and they made like this. This technology is called taxidermy,
Excellent.
which is very famous from Bangalore.
Yeah.
The Bangalore.
In
We
our
are
palace also they have done.
So you're from Bangalore.
Mysore.
Nice. Yes.
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ.
Yes, super ಆಗಿದೆ.
No.
ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಚಿಕ್ಕದು.
Okay. This is a picture of Umesh Singh's son. I showed you the four sons.
Yes.
He was the eldest one. He became king after his death in 1947. He married to the Krishna Kumari. She's a princess of Gujarat, Dagendra. And this couple had 3 children, 2 daughters and a son. Unfortunately, he died very early.
Oh.
So that this boy became the king when he was 4 years.
Oh.
Because his father passed away. But he was guided by this lady and his grandmother. They sent him to Oxford University. See, that's the picture when he got bachelor degree from Oxford. That's the picture when
It's
he,
cute ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ?
when he was 50 years.
He's the second king.
Mother, that lady. Rajat Maharaja, prince, princess and the queen. She is from Kashmir. So he is the very good Maharaja today. He is the president in art and culture and heritage. He is the king.
Yeah.
Right festival of Holi. All the big festival is participate with public. Also the photo with the Charles. King Charles. When he was in India, he was a prince. Quite old picture. He is participating in the Painting program. Also a school. He's running a school for the girls. That's one of the very good school in the Rajasthan as the international standard.
This is so beautiful.
And these are the horse chariot lamp lights.
Chariot
This is a picture when he got Pattabhishekam.
glorious ಇದ್ದಾಗ.
Pattabhishekam 1952. And the walking sticks. Rings. 1936 he has all these rings.
Baapre. He's gone.
Which is your brand, sir? None of these. Black and white.
No, that is all.
Okay, you drink sometime.
Yeah, sometime.
Now I have a question for you.
Yes. I could recognize 2-3 drinks.
Are you ready to listen my question? I'm asking you personal question. You drink. Let me know what is the full form of PEG. 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 If you answer, you can drink. Otherwise, you have to stop today only.
I remember. I could recall in 5 minutes.
What are the PEGs? Shots.
Short glass.
And the dining table is there. Dressing furniture.
Glass furniture.
Oh, this is so
Okay,
pretty.
See from here. See the man. Yes. On this side. Lady. From that side. Okay, in this film there are 3 pictures. When you see from this side, you find a man. From the straight side, woman. From this side, I mean.
Oh, straight.
And from the other side is another man. There are 3 king and queen from
3D.
3D type. This is the honor when the Maharaja joined the British meeting in 1877. He got that title GC Ashai, Great Commanding Service India. Same like this side, you come here. His face is looking at you.
Yeah.
Now you change your position. Thank you.
Yeah. All the sides.
From either side is looking at you.
How it is?
The courtyard and the meeting room.
Throne room, fully painted by the.
Oh, Raja used to sit here. That's
This is
it.
the paintings of Ramayana, the story of the Ramayana. Like when in that you see the Ramayana, Sita is there, Hanuman is sitting in the chariot, the Rama breaking bow.
Full Ramayana.
With Ramayana. Because these are the Maharajas that belongs to the Sun dynasty.
Oh, Sun Dynasty.
ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಸೂರ್ಯವಂಶ
Suryavanshi.
Different types of clothes from different countries.
ये देखिए सब एंटीक वॉच है, आज से 200-300 साल पहले की
Craft textile. But one more thing, Jodhpur is known for the Kundan.
Kundans.
You heard about the Kundan?
Yeah.
What is that?
Oh, it's a precious.
Yes, you are right, sir. Jewelry craft. Normally, people understand Kundan is the stone or it's not a stone. The way they do the carving, that is called Kundan work. And the Kundan work is famous from this part. The reason simple. To do the Kundan work, you require very dry weather, dry condition, and the Jodhpur has the dry condition. So people sell Kundan everywhere, but the best Kundan produced in the Jodhpur. Then the city is famous for the food, like street food. I can say the samosa, mirchi vada, kachori, and gulab jamun, ghevar, and also we prepare vegetable out of gulab jamun. Gulab jamun ka sabji. And lassi is very famous. And I give you the figure, every day 4 lakh mirchi vada and samosa we eat in the Jodhpur, 4 lakhs.
4 lakhs.
Yeah, 4 lakhs. You know, it's a big number. So people eat mirchi vada. Hospitality, we speak very nicer way. Even we abuse to someone, we abuse very nicer way.
Oh.
Gujarati too?
Nice people.
Nice people.
Even किसी को गाली भी देंगे ना बड़े
वो
अच्छे
छोड़ देगा.
अच्छे शब्दों में जैसे if I say someone to मर जा ये अच्छा नहीं लगता है. What how we say थे पांचा हो जाओ साहब. Meaning of this is sir madam you get your rebirth. So to get the rebirth, what you have to do? Die first. So I mean the Marwadis are like that, and they are very good in presence of wine.
People who born in.
So one story I tell you. Once upon a time, the Maharaj of Jodhpur, the guests were in the Jodhpur in the palace. Umesh Singh ji guests, they were in the palace, and they were saying like what you saying, Kanjus. Then they say, okay, we play the game, and whoever is win the game, they don't have to pay the money for the party, and who is the loser, he has to pay. So the game was simple game. Vadodara King, he asked, okay, we are going to the swimming pool, and we swim in that. After swimming, person come out from the pool, he has to bring an egg. So we dropping egg into the water, right? So there were the 11 people, they dropped only 10 eggs and they put Maharaja, Umesh Singh Jodhpur Maharaja at the end number, 11th number. So one by one all the Maharaja they come out with the egg, and Umesh Singh ji, when he got his chance, he come out without the egg. Then everybody is laughing, they clapping and all, you loser, you are the loser. Umesh Singh say, I am the winner. And he said, I can prove I am the winner. Everybody say, okay, how do you prove? He said, okay, listen me. So told them, let me know what science says. Who give the eggs? Who give the eggs?
Those who were,
A female. So I'm the winner. You all were the female, and I'm the only male. So that's why I'm the winner. So I mean, the Marwadis, they are good in presence of mind. Even you can ask, even at midnight, they answer you properly, logically. So this is the Marwad. Okay. Hope you enjoy it.
People who born in Jodhpur is called as Marwadi. It's not a caste, but people who born here, they call them as Marwadi. And this is one of the biggest city in Jaipur, and it's a right place, and they're good for business. And also, we'll continue the program. You can.
My question was, what is the full form of PEG? PEG. And I asked him, and he asked me, give me the 5 minutes, and it happened like almost 1 hour. So the PEG, P for the precious, E for evening, G for glass.
Precious evening glass.
Precious evening glass, that is your PEG.
ನೋಡಿದ್ದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಗೂಗಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ
And what about the Patiala?
Patiala is 90 mm.
90 mm. Not more than that?
We know Patiala is a pant.
Patiala, no.
It's extra large.
Extra large. Actually, sir, there is no measurement of Patiala. It's not like that. No. It doesn't mean the Patiala people drink more or less. Yes, somehow you are right. Actually, a group of people during the British's time, they were sitting together and they were serving their, like the plan was help yourself. So someone taking 20 ml, 30 ml, whatever. When the bottle reached to the Patiala Maharaja, he filled the complete glass. And everybody was surprised, they shocked. What is this? And he was confident. See, this is the Patiala peg. So the Patiala, there is no measure. I hope you enjoyed.